I'm Mike O'Dowd with Defense Strategies Group, and I'm going to talk about medical equipment. Full disclosure, I'm not a medic and I am not a doctor, so I'm not giving any medical advice, but I am giving you gear advice. My 10 years in the Navy, I used all of these kits at one time or another. I've trained on them. I've had a ton of medical training, but I want to focus on the actual gear and what I carry on the regular, day to day. Hey, I'm pausing the video right now to let you know about a free giveaway that USCCA has going on right now. Check out the link below for all the details, and let's get back to the video. So I'm going to go into this first kit. This is from Focus Research, and it was founded by Navy SEAL. So something you know about this company already, they know what they're doing and they've got great hair. This is the trauma kit that goes behind the plates. I use this on every single mission, and the best part about this is, unlike a medical kit that sits on your hip or sits in your cargo pocket, when it blows up or shots come in, it's exposed to fire. These kits slide behind your plates. You can put one in the front plate, one in the back plate. It's vacuum sealed. It's got everything you need: bandages, gauze pads, needle decompression, and the only thing you need on the side is tourniquets. So it's a great option if you run body armor, you run plates, police, military. Highly recommend. I'm not selling the brand, I'm not sponsored by the brand. These are just things that I carry, and it all happens to be the same company. So next, talking about their vehicle kit. So I keep this in the trunk of my car. You can keep it in your glove compartment box. This one is inflated because I punctured it accidentally, but the contents inside of it are still fine. It just doesn't look as nice as it used to. It already comes with a tourniquet inside, so this is like an all-encompassing blowout kit or bleed kit. Definitely something you should have for you or your family. Whenever I'm working in kind of a security capacity or low-vis operation where I can't wear my armor, these are two great options that I use. This is a trauma kit. It's a little bit more comprehensive than this, and it's a little bit less comprehensive than this. There's no tourniquet in either one of these, so I bring a tourniquet, of course. But I mean, look how small this is. This sits inside of a back pocket. Any like low vis guard, any soccer mom with her purse, any guy who's walking around with his dog on a leash can keep one of these in his pocket. It's super useful. It has everything you need to stop a bleed. This one is a little bit more comprehensive in that it has chest seals. But you can pretty much carry either one and know you're going to be good in some kind of an emergency situation. So I carry this one in my car. I keep this one in my low-vis off-body bag. I keep this one in another off-body bag or on my person. And then I keep this one behind my plates. So what it does for me is it lets me know that no matter where I go, I have some way to respond to an emergency situation. Now, all of these med packs are great, and whatever med pack you use at home is probably great, but none of it matters if what? If you don't train it. So many people buy these kits and they have no idea what's inside of it. If you don't tear these things open and actually check them out and finger them and understand like what it is that you're using and then get actual training on it, then it's totally worthless. You might as well just hand this over to the first responder who arrives. You have to train this. So I always recommend buying two, tear apart one of them and actually get some training with it, and you'll know what's in it, and then have the other one for home. So remember, no matter what you do, how you do it, train. That's how we move forward. That's how we keep progressing. If you like what we saw, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to hear any questions and feedback from you guys in the comments section. And remember, we got a whole bunch of videos coming out, so if there's something you want to see, let us know. Otherwise, stay tuned.